Hey guys, Ben here, and today I'm going to show you how to use one of the most powerful features of ChatGPT, voice mode. Not only does voice mode let you work and learn on the go, but when you combine it with the concepts from my previous videos, you'll unlock compounding returns in the same way that compound interest works. If that sounds like your type of thing, stick around and enjoy. Hey everyone, can you guess what we're going to be talking about today? That's right, the ChatGPT mobile app, specifically the conversation feature. The app is available on both Android and iOS. With this feature, you've got an AI expert in your pocket, ready to chat whenever you need it. Are you commuting to work or just out for a walk, cleaning up around the house? Use this as an opportunity to chat with ChatGPT. Now, I know what you might be thinking, won't I look weird using this feature and talking to an AI? Everyone's gonna think I'm a tool. But here is the secret. Everyone already thinks you're a tool. Just kidding. Just treat it like you're on a phone call. Plus, the more you do it, the more natural it will become. The conversation mode also takes into account your custom instructions. Let's go ahead and open the ChatGPT app on our phone. We'll see the message box right in the center of the screen there, and next to it is the microphone icon here, which lets you record if you had a long thought you wanted to document in here. We're going to click the X for now and look at the headphones to the right. So when we click that, that's going to bring up the chat with voice feature. Just start talking. Now you can have spoken conversations with ChatGPT. It's hands-free, the chats are saved, and the language is auto-detected. So to choose a voice, let's go ahead and start.
I'm ready to hit the ground running.
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going?
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Alright, so let's go ahead and choose Cove, that last one there. So right here we see that it is reacted to my voice, and we see the new voice mode is coming soon. I will definitely be doing another video when that is released, but the same concepts will still apply. So let's just say got it, it's reacting to my voice, it's understanding what I'm saying, and it says tap to send manually, or if when we stop talking, it'll go ahead and send the message as well.
It sounds like you're describing a feature where your device is reacting to voice commands and messages. Are you testing out new voice recognition software?
So we'll hit pause there on the bottom left because obviously we didn't really want to tell the AI that, I just wanted to bring it up. Now I'll give an example of how we can use this feature. So I'm gonna press the play button again to resume our conversation. What do you know about me?
I remember you're involved with Procrastination Assassins, Inc., focused on productivity consulting. How's everything going with your work lately?
It's been going good. Can you give me some best practices related to, I don't know, marketing, for example?
Sure, for effective marketing. 1, know your audience. Understand who your target customers are and what appeals to them. 2, consistent branding. 3, content strategy. Create valuable content that resonates with your audience's needs and interests. Engage with your audience.
We're going to go ahead and interrupt this. Can you give me the step-by-step on how to implement a content strategy, please?
To implement a content strategy, 1, define goals. Clarify what you want to achieve with your content, e.g. brand awareness, lead generation. 2, know your audience. Research and understand your target audience's interests, preferences, and pain points.
Alright, so we're going to press the pause button again, but you see how in the short amount of time that, again, I was just going on a quick walk or something, I'm able to sort of do research and even just learn on the go. It doesn't need to be this robotic back and forth, just kind of pretend you're talking with a human and it'll come more naturally. Imagine if I didn't know any of those marketing concepts. If I did already know them, I could ask, give me more advanced ones, etc. How many hours do you think this will save us down the line? Plus, the entire conversation we had was saved. Go ahead and reference that in your conversation history. Now let's see how we can tie this into our second brain. Let's copy the business plan. Just open the note, select everything, and hit copy. We will switch apps back to the ChatGPT app. We'll start a new conversation and go ahead and paste this in. So it'll regurgitate that little snippet to us, and then we can begin the conversation. Can you give me a real critique of this business plan and help me find any gaps I may be missing?
Your business plan effectively outlines the core aspects of Procrastination Assassins, Inc. However, here are a few points to consider for further refinement and to ensure comprehensive coverage. 1. Market analysis. Ensure you have thoroughly researched and defined your target market.
Let's go ahead and interrupt it there. Can you please provide an analysis of the possible competitors in this space?
In the productivity consulting space, potential competitors for Procrastination Assassins, Inc. could include 1. Traditional business consultants, established firms offering general productivity improvement services without a specific theme.
And how can I compete with these guys and blow them out of the water?
To outshine your competitors in the productivity consulting space, consider these strategies tailored to Procrastination Assassins, Inc.'s unique strengths. 1. Unique branding and theme. Emphasize your playful military and assassin-themed approach as a distinct advantage. This makes your services memorable and appeals to clients seeking engaging, non-traditional training.
Alright, and we'll pause it there. I hope this framework has given you the confidence to implement these stackable improvements. Generative AI, plus your second brain, plus custom instructions, plus conversation mode. Now you're well on your way to becoming a 1000x human. And that's it for today, so consider liking the video if I was able to help you out. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.